हेलो गाइस, आज हम लोग देखेंगे कुछ ईडियम्स के बारे में जिसको हिंदी में हम मुहावरे कहते हैं. वी ऑफन यूज़ ईडियम्स इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ, इन आवर sentences. Like we are from North India, so mostly we speak Hindi or Urdu, you can say. So we use Hindi muhavra most often. English is an international language and we somehow come across with English if you want to work further, if you want to travel all around in the world. Stay connected. We will see one by one 9 to 10 idioms with their meaning and example to understand it clearly. Okay? Though there are thousands and lakhs of idioms which have animals' name in them, but I have selected here only 9 to 10 some famous idioms, so that when we do conversation in English with someone, we can easily use these idioms. Or if someone says, we can easily understand their meaning. We don't get confused. So one by one we will see these idioms with their meaning and example to understand better. So the first one is hold your horses. It doesn't mean you have to hold your real horse. What does it mean? It means don't be in such a hurry, or slow down, or hold down. In Hindi we used to say sabr karo या ठंड रखो. Okay. For example, if two people have to go to market, so A will say let's go, so B will say hold your horses, I have to take shower, so don't hurry, I have to take shower, then we will go. Okay. The second one is lion's share. Lion's share means a big portion. So with example we will understand. Baby is upset that his brother got the lion's share of the cake. What does it mean? The younger brother is upset because he gets the smaller portion of cake and the elder brother gets the bigger portion of the cake. So for the bigger portion we will say lion's share of the cake. Okay, now we will move to third one, that is bigger fish to fry. What does it mean? It doesn't mean somebody is cooking fish at his or her home. It means some important or profitable or interesting work to do. Okay, if one of your friends say, oh, you didn't come to play game, we were waiting for you yesterday. So the boy will say or the friend will say, oh, I had some bigger fish to fry at home. It doesn't mean he or she was cooking fish at home. No, he had some important work at home than to play the game. Now moving to the fourth one, that is cat out of the bag. What does it mean? It means to reveal the fact or the secret. In Hindi, किसी को राज या सच्चाई बता देना. Okay, the cat out of the bag. We will understand this with example. He didn't want to let the cat out of the bag. What does it mean? He didn't want to say the truth, but anyhow he had to, or anyhow or somebody else had revealed the secret. He didn't want to let the cat out of the bag. Okay, fifth one. And this one is my most favorite since childhood. I like this idiom very much. Chicken hearted. And I most often use this idiom. Chicken hearted means, as the name said, chicken hearted, cowardly, fearful, scared easily, or in Hindi or Urdu word we will use buzdil, very small heart. Okay, so we will see one example of this. For example, you started crying with the sound of firework. You are such a chicken-hearted boy. Understand? I hope you are liking the video. So if you like this video, please like, share with your friend or family, and subscribe to my channel. Rest of the 5 idioms we will see in the part 2 of this video. So stay connected, and this video will be continued in part 2.